Hey there, we all know it but might not always admit it, we've got these blind spots. They're like the hidden nooks in our personalities that we don't see but others do. And guess what? These blind spots can turn relationships into roller coasters. But here's the deal, by ramping up our self-awareness, we can spot these sneaky blind spots and tackle them head-on. So, what on earth are these blind spots? Think of them as the ghosts of self-awareness. Blind spots are like those cobweb-covered corners in your mind where you've stashed away things you don't want to deal with. These mental hideaways can be built from our upbringing, personal experiences, and, of course, our unique personalities. Common blind spots include the superhero or underdog complex. We often don't see our strengths and weaknesses accurately, which can lead us to overestimate or underestimate ourselves. The bias brigade. Yep, we've all got biases, those sneaky, subconscious opinions that influence our thoughts and actions. These can make us judge others unfairly or just plain inaccurately. The emotion express. Sometimes we're clueless about how our emotions are pulling our strings. That can make us say or do stuff we later regret. The ripple effect. We might not realize how our behavior ripples through our relationships, stirring up trouble and misunderstanding. Now, why should you care about these blind spots in your relationships? Hold on to your hat, because blind spots can throw a wrench into your relationship's smooth operation. Picture this, you're unaware of your biases, and you start making unjust calls about your partner. Cue the arguments and the simmering resentment. And let's not forget those times when your emotions sneak up on you. You blurt something hurtful, and poof, trust and intimacy are gone with the wind. Alright, let's get practical. How do you turn on the self-awareness switch? Feedback is your BFF. Start by seeking feedback from the people around you, friends, family, co-workers, or even a therapist. They're your mirror when it comes to spotting those pesky blind spots. Mind your manners, pay attention to how you react in different situations. Are there patterns that keep cropping up? Catching those patterns can be like shedding light on those blind spots. The power of reflection. Take some time to rewind and reflect on your past experiences. What were you thinking and feeling? What nuggets of wisdom can you gather from those memories? Don't hesitate to seek help. If you're struggling to unmask your blind spots, consider teaming up with a therapist or counselor. They're the pros at helping you see what you might be missing. But here's the big question: how does this self-awareness jazz improve your relationships? Well, self-awareness is like a magic key that unlocks healthier, more fulfilling relationships. When you get to know yourself, the good, the bad, and the ugly, you become a relationship wizard. You can communicate like a champ, diffuse conflicts like a pro, and build relationships that are sturdier than a castle. Plus, self-awareness makes you a compassion ninja. When you know your own blind spots, you're less likely to throw stones when your partner slips up. That, my friend, builds trust and intimacy like nothing else. In a nutshell, those pesky blind spots aren't a life sentence. With some good old self-awareness, you can spot them, work on them, and turn your relationships into thriving gardens of connection. Just remember to keep it real, be patient with yourself, open up to feedback, and be willing to change. You've got this. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of self-awareness and personal growth. We hope you found this video insightful and valuable. Remember, recognizing and addressing your blind spots is the first step towards building healthier, more fulfilling relationships. If you want to continue this journey with us and receive more practical advice, tips, and inspiration to enhance your emotional intelligence, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content and become a part of our growing community of self-awareness enthusiasts. Together, we can learn, grow, and create stronger connections with the people we care about. So, click that subscribe button now, and let's embark on this exciting path of self-discovery together. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to having you as part of our community. See you in the next video.